Slinky's back visiting. There was a couple doves set here a while ago. As soon as they saw him, they took off. Those are some smart doves. Yeah, maybe he's just doing a inspection. Oh, look at that. Slinky definitely did a jump on the fence. He's balancing on the top of the boards. And there he's gonna go down on the 2x4 and walk, I guess. I don't know, he must have jumped down in the yard. Oh, no, there he is. Well, let's see what he's doing. Hey! You gonna take off? Huh? The yard next to this yard here has chickens in it and a goose. I don't think he goes in there. That goose will chase him. But the guy's got a pile of wood right there, and I think there's some mice in there too. If you like these Slinky videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in and enjoying Slinky with me today when he came by for his afternoon visit.